Hey NayNaySquad, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is of course a monkey video. You guys blew me up on the other one and I told you guys I'm gonna do another one. This time I'm all dolled up, and if you haven't seen my video on this hair, you need to stop. Well, after this video you need to stop and go up to the eye up there with the circle and watch my video, okay? And let's get into this. I haven't done monkey in so long. Hopefully they're not inappropriate today. Like I said in my other videos, I got high self-esteem. I don't care if they say I'm a 0 or anything. Shy. time add me as a friend. Time. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
You said recording a video for YouTube?
Yeah, can you rate me 1 to 10?
25.
Oh, thank you. Oh, that was like a guy that I known from I went to a basketball game. I thought he was so handsome, so like I got his Snapchat, whatever, and I was talking to him. At first I was like so crazy, head over heels for him, and it's just crazy how life works that he was in my video. So hey Shy. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? That looked good. Can you rate me 1 to 10? A 5? Thank you. He said this fire. I thought he said a 5. I was gonna say thank you. Shoot. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Okay, what's your YouTube channel though?
AXYENN LXYENN.
AXYENN LXYENN. Huh?
AXYENN LXYENN.
When you go upload this video?
I'm gonna upload it as soon as I can stop. And when you respond.
Alright, but put me on the profile.
Okay, rate me 1 to 10.
You are a 10.
Thank you. He took too dang long. Like, you asking for time and you can't even do what I say. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
You?
Yep.
You a 9.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You have a nice day.
Yep. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? Can you rate me 1 to 10? These people are wasting my time. I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
No.
He said no. Hi. I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Yeah, 0, bitch.
0, bitch. People are so rude. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Hey, yo, guess what?
What?
This dick.
Okay, like, people are so childish. Oh, okay. Like, grow up. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Rate you 1 through 10. You have to rate us 1 through 10 too, okay?
Okay.
Alright, I'll give you a 10.
Okay, yours. Oh. It's so sweet. They so sweet. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
8.5.
A 8.5. Thank you. What about you?
Yeah, about 8.5.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
You said 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10.
I need about a 10.
A 10? Thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Give you something to say?
Huh?
Give you something to say?
I said, can you rate me 1 to 10?
96.
Thank you. I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? Thank you. I don't know what that means though.
Time.
Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Add time first.
I did. You didn't add time. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Fuck 1 through 10. Goddamn, you beautiful. What's up?
Thank you.
Where you at?
What do you mean where I'm at? I'm at home.
I am pulling up.
Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Since I can't see you fully, I'm gonna give you a 5.
Okay, thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? I said I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
20, 100.
Thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Like a 9.
Thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
A 10.
Thank you.
Can I sing to you?
Yep.
Baby shark, baby
Yeah, that's funny. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? Oh, thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Shit, 10.
Thank you. Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Oh, I mean, I give you a 10 because you wearing red, and I love red.
Thank
you. A 10. Good shit.
Thank you.
Good color.
Thank you.
Brings you alive, yeah. Hey, queen.
Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10?
Man, I can rate you a 50.
Thank
How
you.
about that?
Thank you.
Have me as a...
Hi, I'm recording a video. Can you rate me 1 to 10? They're so cute. They're so cute. They're so cute. So that is it, you guys. I hope you guys liked it. I also want to address in my other monkey video, people were like how certain people were calling me ugly. Honestly, like I said in my video, I don't care what anybody say about me. As you know, as you guys know, if you're on my channel a lot, you know I'm about self-worth and self-love. So I don't care what you think about me, what you say about me. It is what it is. I know what I am. I know who I am. And you know, the man upstairs know who I am. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you didn't, like, what you doing? Like, add your girl. Like, let's throw some suggestions down below. Another story time, whatever. It is what it is. Bow. Bye. We're just gonna end this video with a little song of the video, I should say. Maybe I should do this more often. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up. You chill with your beef and get some chicken instead. Got the crowd shut it down, got it hurt up in the